A lot of us don't have garden spaces at our homes, so this is a way to raise our own local organic food.
Colleen Parker is the president of the Seminole Heights Community Gardens.
Gardens like these are important because we're really all here to tend this small corner of the earth. We can't take care of the entire earth, but we can take care of our little piece of it.
Studies show community gardens decrease violence in neighborhoods and even improve mental health through social interactions. They've been gaining traction in the Tampa Bay Area.
We are now part of a coalition of community gardens, so the idea of community gardens has expanded to 30-some gardens in the area, and that I think is a fantastic result.
Community gardens provide healthier food and members engage in physical activity.
I know where this food comes from, I know the hands that have raised it, and I think that ties into the whole local food movement, and you can't get any more local than this.
The group grows their own organic fruits, vegetables, and herbs. They also accept compost from neighbors in the community and from local businesses. Reporting for Florida Focus, I'm Sonu Trivedi.